Daniel, I have something very exciting to show you. I don't think you're ready for this. Birdie, I don't think you're ready for this.
Look at him.
My birdie is bootylicious. Available on my Redbubble now. Link in the description box below. I got us a RAV4. You wanna know why? It's because both of us as kids, the RAV4 was our dream car. And neither of us ever had one. Wow, look at the sky. What a beautiful sunset. A pretty pastel purple sunset. No, that's not the hill that Caitlin and I went up. That's a mud. Yes, that's what Grace lost her phone right there. Stuffed duck. Fucking kidding me. Daniel, we should leave. This is treason. And he said, do you want to buy a house in Tasmania? And we said yes, because we're smart. If it's okay with you, I'm just taking some footage to show my husband.
No problem. Come on in, as I said, it's bacon. Little dusty, little ugly.
Sorry. Okay, so how old is the building?
It is about 20 years old, we'll say, yes.
20 years old?
Oh, sorry, 1989, about there.
Okay.
Actually, I found a lot cooler than I thought it was going to be.
Why are they selling?
So she's, the owner's getting a welder now. She's moved in with her son down in the Huon Valley.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And is it brick under the render?
Yeah, so it's a mixture of the brick, stone and timber.
Okay.
Cladding on the outside.
Okay. So is there NBN here?
There is, yes.
Okay.
You've got the connection down there.
Okay. And sewer is there's
No sewerage, so the toilet's composting.
Yeah, okay.
And then there's tank water.
So it's
as well.
really big. It was 100,000 litre.
Yeah, there's a new tank at the top. This kind of has a bit of a layout, so you've got a new steel tank.
Yeah.
And then also a smaller poly tank down here as well. And it actually shows all the pumps and everything through their story, which is very useful.
So what sort of settlement period are they looking for?
They're pretty flexible.
Okay.
I know her son did help her build this. He's
Okay. Oh, he's a builder?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that?
The blue.
Oh, fairy wrens. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So flexible settlement period.
Yes.
Deposit?
Again, flexible. So in Tasmania, there's not really generally the 10% is what people do, but
Okay.
kind of 10,000, 20,000 is also absolutely fine. It's,
Okay. Yeah. All right.
Depending on what you want to do, we pretty much negotiate with any 10%.
And definitely no asbestos.
No, it's not built out of that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Strips of wood. Okay. And land size, it's 1 hectare?
1 hectare, yeah. So it's not fenced.
Not fenced,
Not
okay.
fenced, yeah.
All right.
Yes, you've got your 1 bedroom through that you were just in before.
Yep.
2 bedrooms and your bathroom out this way as
Okay. And is there a building and pest inspection available?
well. Not available, no.
All
You're
right.
welcome to get one done.
And would we just line that up? Would I just send their details to you or send you their details and that gets, I'm not sure if how it gets organised here.
No, that's all right. So usually, if you put a contract in on the property, you put a building inspection as part of that contract.
Yeah.
And then we arrange that.
Yeah.
Usually.
Oh, you'll
7 days.
arrange it? Okay.
Yeah. So we can arrange it. We've got building inspectors that we use often. If you don't know anyone in the area, we can certainly recommend people. Or we can use somebody of your choosing as well. It's completely up to you.
Okay. And there's no white ants, termites in Tasmania, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Wow. Such a foreign concept to me.
Yes. Nice one though.
Yeah. All right.
And it is the second highest house in Hobart.
Really?
So the only one that's higher is the neighbour.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
the closest to the top of Mount Wellington is pretty much anyone can get.
Wow.
Yeah.
Goodness. Nice garden. This is
Beautiful nature.
so that house. It's the neighbour. You can just see it through there,
Yeah,
right?
you can kind of see it more from the road.
Okay. Yeah. Do you mind if I have a little walk
go
around?
for a wander. That's
Okay.
absolutely fine. Just be a bit careful where it's a bit slippery around the place.
Would you mind telling them I'm just going for a walk?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is all moss. I don't know what to say, Dan. What do you reckon? This looks like Japan. This looks like that mountain that we visited. Look at this. Wow. Fairy wrens. Wow. Yeah, no maintenance. Aqualita? There's a 100,000 litre water tank up here. Oh, there's 2. That's the big one, and then there's a smaller one. A nice pile of firewood there. Oh, what's up there? So it's not fenced, so I'm not entirely sure where the boundary is. Oh, look, this is like asphalt down here. Yeah, so you don't have to maintain any of this. I'm guessing that's the neighbour's property there. Get a survey done and probably get the place fenced because wallabies. And we'd have to look at what are you allowed to clear. Not that I'd clear any trees. Trees are beautiful, but I wonder if you're allowed to clear ferns. Wow. Okay, so then let's go. There's a much easier way to get to the balcony, but I'm just, I'm bush bashing. So, oh wow, magnolias. That's a ruby magnolia. This is all moss here again. Not moss, but like I don't know. Look, there's a tree, and if a tree falls on a mountain, does it make a sound? Who knows? This is all real timber, and yeah, there's no white ants in Tasmania. Look at this. And another tank of some sort. And then it's misty, so you can't see the view, but the view just, yeah, second highest house. Look at this. It's beautiful. So what's the view typically when it's not foggy?
Yeah. So I haven't been up here when it's not been foggy, to be honest.
Yeah. I'm assuming it would just be the city, right?
Yeah, yep. So you kind of get through into more of the valley, so you can't really see the buildings of the city and everything.
Okay, yeah.
I believe if you didn't have a lot of this, you would get views of the river going forward, but it is mainly blocked by all the trees and
yeah, okay. Yeah. All right. Just have a look down here.
Yeah, you do have the laundry in the door just up there to your right.
Oh, yeah.
And the big space under the house, which could potentially be developed as well if you you'll be able to see.
Yep. Oh, are you locked or unlocked? Oh, wow. It's like oh, wow. Cool.
You've got like a secondary inner sanctum.
Yeah.
The walls are built out, but there's like a little door frame.
There's power.
You can,
okay.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, what's this thing?
So that is for the toilet.
Oh, the loo. Okay.
Yeah.
So did the owners have to clear all this themselves, or is there a company that comes and does it, or?
Actually, that's a good question. I believe it all sorts itself out, kind of thing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's hooked up to compost the garden.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah. But I can certainly double check that because I don't have a lot of experience.
That's all right. Don't worry. No, I don't either.
No.
To be fair. Something that I've only experienced when I've been camping.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the rates in this council?
So I do have them in the brochure.
Okay, I'm just gonna go explore real quick.
Sure.
And
yep, no problem.
wow. Oh, there's the pond. How do you get down to the pond? That's a good question. Been under the house, all stone. If the gang would be happy to live here, we could buy it. Imagine you've had a long week at work and take a few days off. Strawberries, broccoli, silver beet, cabbage, wasabi, blackberries. I'm gonna schedule for you and I to come and see this again tomorrow. Foxglove. Oh my fucking god, what is that? What the fuck is that? Is that an aviary? Perhaps? Is that a geometric aviary? Oh, hydrangeas! Huge hydrangeas, macrophylla hydrangeas. Tiles from when they built the place. An oyster shell. Good, good. And then this. 1 hectare of this. Oh, I see something else. What is this? What have I found? Ah, I found the road. And a clearing. And then here are the closest neighbours. Down here. Oh, look, another tank. Off the side of the granny flats thing. A Wallamai pine. Not that one. Where is it? That one. Wallamai pine. 2-car garage. Can easily not use that as a garage. Just turn the whole thing into a granny flat. Alright, well, it's number 31. And you know what I say? My lucky number's 13. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I hope that you consider my proposal.
Are you checking in for the day?
Yes, actually.
Yes? Room for one?
Yes, please. Just one photographer.
One photographer.
Yes.